Okay, so today we're going to be performing a repair test for Miss Elizabeth Dills, claim number PR-0000021-36313515518. So I marked the shingle in which I'm going to be attempting the repair on. First, I'm gonna have to unseal these shingles as careful as possible. It's pretty hard to get unstuck. It's a hot day, so the tar adhesive is quite sticky. So on this roof, we have 11 shingles that need to be replaced. This one's not too bad. Really stuck in there. So I've just discovered there's quite extreme mat transfer on these shingles. So as you can see, where the tar adhesive was stuck down, all of that fiberglass matting has now transferred to the shingle above it. If you can see that in every shingle that I have unsealed, fiberglass, the matting has transferred to the shingle above it. Every single one. Significant mat transfer. That makes this shingle non-repairable and requires a full roof replacement. I don't wish to continue this any further, as I will cause more damage to the roof itself.